Welcome to my closet, and today we're going to be doing my thrift store haul, so I hope you enjoy it, because I really had a blast getting all these super duper deals for super duper prices. My first ones that I'm going to show you is my shoes. Michael Kors. I got it at a thrift store. On the name tag, the original price, it says $145, and I got them for, drum roll please, $10. Look at how cute they are, and they're so comfortable. They're absolutely so comfortable, and I love these shoes so much. Another pair of shoes that I got were my BB shoes, or bebe, however you say it. $10 as well, a score. They're very comfortable, black and gold, so classy. Look at that shoe, BB, bebe. Now on to some clothes. I found this at a thrift store, and it just was floral print, and I think that's like absolutely in right now, so I had to have it, and it's so comfortable. And as a dancer, like, even when we're dancing, rehearsing, whatever, we always gotta look super fresh and dope and illest and all of that. Just putting this on makes me feel more funky. It's very light, so it still keeps you warm if it is a little cold outside, but you also can wear it like inside and still be looking fresh. I got this for like $2 or something like that, and I was so happy. Thrift stores rock. And another thing that I got was this gray sweater. It's Express. This was, I think, like $3 or $4. I just needed something that was like for my nice dresses. I really didn't have something to wear over if I wanted to go out and it was cold outside, so I would not wear a jacket, because if it didn't match my outfit, or if it doesn't match my outfit, I'm not gonna wear it, so you better get it off me. My gray sweater from the thrift store. Ta-da! And then another thing that I got, it's a flannel. I don't know if you're a dancer, flannels are super in right now. I don't know why, but they're fun, and I found this purple one. This was maybe like $2.99. I found it, oh, $3, it was $3. And you know, you can wear it around your waist, or you can just wear it. I haven't seen many purple ones, so I was like, oh man, I haven't seen dancers with that. Why don't I just get that? And I did, and I love it. Woohoo! Another clothing item I got. It's very different. I still haven't worn it. I just got it because I was like, oh, you know, it was like $2-3. Just get it, whatever. It's like this cherry. It's like a one-piece suit. So it's like a leg. Oh, not leg. It's a long dress. And I just thought it was pretty. I know cherries, like, you can wear like red lipstick, do a pinup hairdo, and I love doing that stuff, so I just grabbed it. And summer's coming, so long dresses are like way cooler to wear in this valley heat, because I live in the valley right now and it's so hot. It's like 100 degrees, and sometimes I'm like, oh my gosh, why do I live here? Oh wait, I forgot, because I have to. Yeah, so that's my cherry dress. And another thing that I got was just the satin long sleeve. I don't know, I always just think these could, you know, for if you're just going out to, you know, with your girls or with your boyfriend out on a date, these are just really nice to put on with like some tight jeans, and then it's just loose silk, long sleeved. Then you put on some heels. I just think it looks really classy and you're not uncomfortable, so that's what I got. I hope you liked my haul, and I'll see you next time at Crystal's Closet.
Some tags, only got $20 in my pocket. I'm hunting, looking for a come up.
All right, I'm done.